Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Yeah. The next disorder is an esophageal motility disorder which is called as diffuse esophageal spasm. In diffuse esophageal spasm, there are esophageal contractions are seen. These esophageal contractions are actually they are repetitive and simultaneous and high amplitude esophageal contractions. Repetitive, simultaneous and high amplitude esophageal contractions are seen in diffuse esophageal spasm. Why is there these contractions? Because here there is a motor abnormality is present in the esophagus, and this motor abnormality in the esophagus will result in this esophageal diffuse esophageal spasm. This is mainly seen in the lower thirds of the esophagus. It is seen in the lower thirds of the esophagus, and this diffuse esophageal spasm is more common in women, and it is also found in patients with multiple complaints. It is also found in patients with multiple complaints, and it is more commonly seen in women.
thank you and thank you for watching.